Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking recipe. Jamaican cooking, lumberjack, rice and peas, Sunday day, dinner. Please watch the video to the end, like and share. It's a recipe eatable, tasteable. Otherwise, we have some coffee, bone stew, chicken. Remember, Jamaican cooking, lumberjack. So you know, say outside of there, coal fire cooking are the bestest cooking. So yeah, another update, rice there, wash and thing. Never show me how to prepare the rice. Now put it in the peas. Peas well season up with coconut juice. So you know, so we put it in the rice and thing, yeah. You can see I go another update on the rice and peas. It a bubble down, that go on steam. But acknowledge that guys is the proper English speaking, right? So don't get the thing twisted. It's a nice pot of Sunday rice and peas there. Well presentation, eatable, delicious, finger licking. Starting by stir up my rice and peas. Guys, recipe ready. Some coffee stew chicken, sour sap juice, Jamaican cooking, lumberjack.